Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and looking forward to 2024 for Windows. I guess we'll have to call it the year of the AI, even though this year should have been the year of the AI, because this year was a lot of talk about it with Copilot and ChatGPT that made the news pretty much at the top of search in 2023. Yet that was general, AI stuff. And us in Windows, we started seeing AI coming into, of course, the browser first, the Microsoft Edge, with its integrated kind of Copilot thing, where you could ask it anything, and basically this is, the same panel that you get when you actually turn on or get the AI panel, which is kind of funny when you think about it. They just added a panel that does the same thing as what's here, which is kind of doubling things up. But anyways, in 2024, we've seen in a video today the component AI panels they plan to put in our Windows operating system in the settings. And it makes you kind of think of, okay, then what's next in 2024? What does all of this do, and at what point will we have some major change? Another thing that we talked about this week that had a lot of views here on the channel, the famous line by Satya Nadella that said, AI will actually replace the start menu at some point. And you're like, what do you actually mean by that? I'm not sure I see any future right away, at least there. And we know that there's a major overhaul of Windows. And that new Windows, which we still don't know, is it a Windows 12? Will it be named Windows 12 and be a separate thing? Will it just be Windows 11 completely revamped with tons of AI in it? One thing for sure is that if in the news for the mainstream, ChatGPT is number one search and AI was had a lot of talk, I think now in Windows and computing, that AI stuff is going to have us talk a lot and talk or rant, or I don't know. From what I see, a lot of people don't want it. Of course, there's one thing we got to be careful, because you cannot say I don't want it if you don't know what it's going to do. We have Copilot, and I don't think this is a good representation of what AI will be. If you're basing it on this, and if AI is there and helps a lot in certain ways, it could be a good thing in some ways. It depends on how they implement it and what actually it can do. So we can't, when I see somebody say, well, I don't want it, we're not there yet. You don't even know what you're going to get. But one thing for sure, this is going to be 2024, the year where I have the impression that we could have a big transition into something new and completely different in operating system in Windows. And what form is it going to have? What type of upgrade? We're not sure yet. It's Windows 12. Actually, we're less sure it's Windows 12 right now than 6 months ago. But we know a big change coming to Windows, and if they pass it as a big upgrade to Windows 11, when that's it, it'll be that. But we'll see. Do you think? The question maybe I would ask all of you today is, what do you think about Windows in 2024? Is it going to have major changes that are going to be mind-boggling, mind-blowing, or are we going to end up 2024 looking back at this video and saying, nah, wasn't worth the talk? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.